Welcome to the spoken tutorial on non-vegetarian recipes for 8 to 11-month-old babies. In this tutorial, we will learn calorie requirements and finger foods for 8 to 11-month-old babies. Preparation of some nutritious non-vegetarian recipes. Until now, you were feeding the baby with half a cup of food thrice a day. When the baby completes 8 months, the frequency of feeding must be increased. During 8 to 11 months, the baby requires up to 300 calories of energy per day. Along with complementary feeding, breastfeeding up to 2 years is necessary. Half a cup of food should be given 4 times a day. A half cup is about 125 milliliters or 8 tablespoons of food. The baby's food consistency should also be changed. Earlier, you were feeding pureed or mashed foods to the baby. At this age, soft and chunky food can be given to the baby. You can also introduce finger foods to the babies at this age. Foods that babies can eat by hand themselves are called finger foods. For example, omelette, boiled egg, cooked pieces of fish, mutton or chicken. Pieces or slices of fruits, vegetables and paneer are other examples. A few precautions should be taken while feeding non-vegetarian food to the baby. All non-vegetarian food should be thoroughly washed and cooked. Care should be taken to completely remove the bones of fish, chicken or meat. Bones can choke the baby. Also, please make sure not to add salt in any of the baby's food until they turn 1. Sugar and jaggery should not be added until the baby turns 2. Let us now proceed with the preparation of some non-vegetarian recipes. Our first recipe is steamed chicken balls. Ingredients required to make this recipe are 2.5 tablespoons or 80 grams of minced chicken, half lemon, half finely chopped onion, half beaten egg, 1 tablespoon roasted Bengal gram flour. Procedure: take washed and minced chicken in a bowl. Squeeze half a lemon on top of it. Mix it well and keep it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. In the same bowl of minced chicken, add chopped onions and beaten egg. Then add roasted Bengal gram flour and mix well. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and make round balls of it. To steam the chicken balls, fill 1/4 of a vessel with water. Place a stand in the center of the vessel. Take the chicken balls in a steel plate and place it on the stand. Cover the vessel with a lid and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Take the balls out on a plate. Our steamed chicken balls are ready. The second recipe is omelette. To prepare this recipe, you will require 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon ghee or oil. Procedure: beat the eggs thoroughly until it becomes frothy. Add turmeric powder and cumin seeds powder. Mix it well. Heat ghee or oil in a pan. Pour the beaten eggs on it. Let it cook on a low flame for 3 to 4 minutes, both the sides. Omelette is ready. The next recipe is goat liver curry. You will need the following ingredients: 75 grams of goat liver, half onion, half tomato, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half lemon, 1 tablespoon of coconut. You will also need 1 teaspoon ghee or oil. Procedure: take cleaned and washed goat liver on a plate. Cut it into small pieces and add juice of half a lemon on it. Keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Then pressure cook the liver pieces with half cup of water until 4 whistles. Let the pressure release by itself and then open the pressure cooker. Side by side, grind onion, tomato and coconut to make a smooth paste. Now heat ghee or oil in a pan. Add the prepared paste in it. Add turmeric powder and cumin powder. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. Add cooked goat liver and half cup of water in it. Cook this curry for 5 to 7 minutes on a low flame. Goat liver curry is ready. The last recipe is steamed fish. To make this recipe, you will need 1 cleaned and washed pomfret, 1 banana leaf, 1 tablespoon of curd, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Procedure: take curd in a bowl. Add turmeric powder and cumin powder in it and mix well. Apply this on a cleaned and washed piece of pomfret. Keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wash the banana leaf thoroughly. Place it on a clean cloth and wipe it with the cloth to dry the leaf. Next, heat the banana leaf on a medium flame for few seconds. Do it on the other side of the leaf as well. This will make the banana leaf soft for wrapping the fish. Now wrap the fish pieces in the banana leaf. Steam it for 18 to 20 minutes on a low flame. The procedure for steaming has been explained in the tutorial earlier. Remove the wrapped fish from heat and let it cool down. Once it cools down, unwrap the fish from the banana leaf. Steamed fish is ready. Make sure to separate the fish from the bones and then serve it to the baby. Instead of pomfret, you can also use any locally available fish in your area. All these recipes are rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and choline. These recipes are sources of vitamins like vitamin D, A, B2, B3, B6, B9, B12. Iron, zinc, and phosphorus are also present in all these recipes. Include these recipes in the baby's diet for good health. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for joining.